My name is Lewis Stewart and I'm from Hargraff Garden Services. Alan from Agrivis has been first class from the first demo meeting. We got put in touch with him via Stevie, who's Stevie Muir, who we bought Artesia through previously. And he said, I've got a mower for you to try that'll blow your mind. I said, right, get us signed up for the demo day. So I think it's probably maybe a year ago now actually, or just over a year, that me and Alan and Stevie met in a garden further down the coast there, and they had the whole shooting match with them, and it was just from that, it was, and then Alan talked through all the process, the different attachments that you could get by, and matching up the batteries to suit what we need with our needs. And yeah, it's just been fantastic, and can't fault Agri Vista, and any communication we've had with them has been perfect. Everything's on just what you want.